On a serious note, this feels like one of those... The wife!
Hey! Yeah!
This feels like one of those movies where they jump around in time. Oh, I got 2% battery left. Oh. Swapping batteries. They jump around in time, but the story's linear and nothing makes sense until it's finished. That's the video I'm talking about. Good morning, you watching Travelvids.tv. Well, it might not be morning where you are, but it sure is where I am. Welcome to Cape Town, welcome to Long Street. If you haven't seen the Long Street video, check out the card on top here. But right now, today, we're talking review videos. I'm back. Okay, we need to start. It's a tea break. Alright, 2.5, 3 hours later, I think.
3 hours later.
So we started up the series a little while ago. I got 4 together. People seem to like what we're doing with that, so I definitely want to take it on and continue the idea, the concept. Today we will be doing our review video in the center of town at Cameraland, which I'm coming up to right now. They've got a cool little workspace and a coffee shop upstairs where I'm meeting Mr. Barker.
Morning, office for the day. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty good. And we'll be looking at a video by Real Marv on Egypt. This is the video that I'm talking about. It's a little bit different to some of the other videos that I've seen. It's got some very edgy like editing, some hardcore cuts, a lot of transitions that are probably pre-generated, but it's done in something that I could call a music video style. So definitely done by somebody who's got some pretty good editing skills, not just your run-of-your-mill edit. The thing that definitely makes this really different is that the sound design is flawless. The music changes according to the environment. The beats follow sort of the changes in the rhythm in the edit, but especially like this, going underwater, now the music's got an underwater sound. It's a really powerful tool when you're making travel videos. So think about your sound design. How can you add in sound effects? And if you have the skills to edit the music to suit your video, even better. This video is Ghetto, yo. I've decided that I'm not going to be doing those reaction videos where I sit and watch your whole video. Trying to promote other people's channels here. So if you want to see this video, the rest of it, then go click on the thing above here and check it out for yourself. All I want to do is point out the stuff that makes this really cool in its own way, point out why I think other people should be seeing this and why it deserves more views. Okay, so this is a 2-in-1 video. You don't get to see the 2 part, which is the meeting.
And I don't care, and I'm doing it on my account. I'll literally just Instagram.
But decided like me, to try something else. Rather than showing their entire video every time, it's also if we are truly helping other people get viewership and vice versa, then we need to entice them to go watch it potentially on their channel.
Each of the videographers to be part of this is the potential to grow an area of future business.
Yeah.
And I don't, that isn't there at the moment, and that we can add value by. Exactly. Yeah. That's where it's more important, is our ability to do upliftment, and then we're working on our pitch deck. Currently we've got about 13 headings. We need to break it down to 8. because we have a pitch to a French company who's very interested in entrepreneurs in Africa, and they're interested in seeing what we've got to offer. So putting our pitch deck together with a couple of other videos to support that. But today's brainstorming about the problems and solutions that we have in place already. So that's the paperwork today.
Everything's been reduced down to a solid Trello board with many slides.
Yes. Which we have to go through again probably between 100 and 500 times. Hopefully not that many, we'll see.
Now let me set up for a little bit of a review. Let's do it.
I'm on a house, yo. I'm on a building, bro.
Alright. Oh, I got 2% battery left. This battery is not much better. Oh my god. Another flat battery. Flat Osmo, flat Canon, flat MacBook. Tell you what we're gonna do.
I choose to go up there, the open house. I'm in the open house in Cape Town. It's noisy, my batteries are flat, and this video is happening anyway. Nothing's gone according to plan. I've run out of batteries. Everywhere I go, it's noisy. There's a style, and that's what he stuck to, regardless of how he was going to tell the story. I pulled up my cell phone to prove that that is just as good a tool as any other to get a point across. The main point that I would like to make in today's video is that you've got to make a choice on the style of video that you're making. When you're dedicated to making a video, you've got to just make it. Think of a style, try and stick to that, see it through to the end, get a point across, and finish the thing, put it out, and move on to the next video. Some people choose to talk a lot, which is more like a vlog style. Other people want to just do a music video style, and that's exactly what this video is here today.
And I like the ending as well. A very good use of like subscribe. This is actually the first video on that channel. So it's a good way to get the thing going, get your channel going, have a nice clean sort of call to action at the end.
So if you want us to look for you, let's see where you're going wrong, or maybe we could give you some hints and tips. Maybe you did nothing wrong, but yeah, just jump in there, have a comment. Ask us to look at your videos. You might be one of the top 10 in that month or week that we decide to review.
One thing that I did notice that I could say is be careful of the type of music you choose. If you're making the video for yourself in a style that you want to share with your friends and that, you can use whatever you want. But obviously if you're looking for sort of a broader sense of attention out of your travel video, like if you're trying to actually advertise or be an influencer for somebody, then definitely pay more attention to using some more generic music. Also for monetization of a video, you know, you can't have some swear words in there, but it's your choice. You're making the video for the reason you're making it, and ultimately at the end of the day, you can do whatever you want. The main reason why you haven't seen videos in their regular time slots is because I was in fact getting married over this last weekend.
You know, like they say, a plumber's house is leaky, a painter's house is unpainted, a videographer's wedding is unfilmed.
And also had lots of catch-up meetings with Darren to get our new product in place, which is coming, more about that a bit later. Right now, I want to get back into the swing of just getting some nice regular content focused on the reviewing and the showcasing, should I say, of other people's travel videos.
You know, sometimes video making just doesn't quite work out, even if you're having fun along the way. Speaking of which, if you want to check out a video that's related to this, how to get into the right state of mind for making a video, check out this video. This one here.